Okay, let's say you have unscrewed everything from these holes, the screws. How to open that thing, because it's, even if you unscrew it, it's still not very easy to open. Well, I show you some trick. So what you do, press the lock up here and then turn the head of it, and it will just break on the half. Just you pressing this and turn out the head. Something like this. So you press and turn. See? It's breaking on two. Now it's easy to open it. So this is the inside of the driller. So basically there is plenty of dust, as you can see, and I want to take that all away and put some grease here because it doesn't look well. So basically this button, which is changing the revs right and left, it's very hard to push it, so that's why I actually decided to clean it up. And this is the back of it. It doesn't look very bad, but plenty of dust there, so it will work definitely better, and there's no grease at all, some dust there, so I'm going to fix it. Actually, just to put the grease, everything is okay with that driller, just by cleaning this, all the dust from inside. Use the simplest method, so the toothbrush, and trying to remove everything, all the dust, gently, and I hope I will do it perfectly. So during the cleaning I noticed that this plastic thing where the brushes are is very hard to move right and left. So basically this is the problem which I had when I was trying to switch the revs right and left. There was a problem. It was very hard to press it, to slide it, the button. So what you do, you screw that left and then pull it, and you will have the access to inside of that switch. I'm going to put the grease there and I clean this up very well. After cleaned up, I tried to do best I could, basically inside, just to take out all the dust from inside of the drill. So let's see how it actually be working after I put everything back together. So that's how I actually did. I cleaned up the trigger, all the parts there, the rotor, the bearings, they are clean. Everything is cleaned as much as I could, of course, and that's how it looks like. And basically now I'm going to grease everywhere where sliding, twisting or turning exists. So I show you just in general where I'm going to put the grease. Over there, over here, of course, over there, there, a little bit on the thread there, and I try to put a little bit over there, just a little bit, so the sliding button, which is that one there, it's moving well, when you actually sliding here, trying to turn the revs back and forward. So we'll see if that works. I'm hoping everything will be fine and it will be like brand new. Before I put everything back together, it looks like that. So I put a little bit of grease there also when it's sliding the switch button there. There is plenty of grease there because there are little cogs there. So we'll see how it works later on. Okay, so everything back. I put back everything together. And let me see how does it work. Very nice. So revs. Nice. Fast. And this one. Very nice. Everything moving well. Perfect. I'm happy about that.